La grande famille Bassa. Juste la pierre, quoi. Puisque pour moi, son copine dans le net, c'est dans l'autobiateur. Papa, on va passer. Son Excellence, Monsieur Jevaza. Yuda. Papa Benza hivi sawa. Je vous signale qu'il est minuit 18 Rosanna Nata ya Kopina. Papa Benza hapo meta chakula. Grâce à Dieu, sacré. Ana matapamba bali ici. Ya kwanza plus. Ya makaba ngeuka balikane. Aya makabe ngeuka balikana. Aya makaba ngeuka balikana. Ya makaba yita kwela yiti. Ya makaba bana ndoki kwenye mayo. Ya makaba bana ndoki kulikana. Udiye kantima bimi manga. Kana diyo kama kumayo. Ya yuna. Uyi kayune. Bakusasa puro jingo kere yuna. Merci.
Meet the first ever all Google phone with the best camera on a Pixel yet. It's smart enough to make photobombers vanish with Magic Eraser. Motion is made silky smooth with motion mode, and Face Unblur brings faces into focus. Google Pixel 6, for all that you are.
Andre Mwendo Koko Kimpanzu Kukai Kukafota na Mangole Manelando Kichimpilan Sakamilu Nitabiza Chilandi Nitalumwa Magatamete Luingi Kana Funinga Sese Diabanyoka Wanda Mankondi Butuka ni Bemba Lumau Yamwinda Yamandwele na Kampaki Inda Muzana Sakameso na Munguku Badi Mosimbieri Kingoma ni Sambandongo Kachomba na Kalupasu Mbaba Yingana Nkamamba na Mpeo Matakanga Bibaku Bingonga Munzenze Chikakasani Kukampasi Talupienge Magatamete Chinkala Yokama Matumbu Ntonkama Mbamu Manyeton Somoni Tamundongo Chilani ni makumbu mambombo Lukami Rome Minangela Luomo Nankankata Nanga Kobo Matula Mantakala ni tatu watu Kodi ya Matieku Wandanda Magatamete Indanga Vinza Mpangela Kimbana Mambio Mayama Kisuka Lungweto Nita Kongo Kamusitwe Yaya Magatamete Yaya Magatamete Narangentio Emanga Isu Ike Bangese Kingele Ike Ina Fumato Sokoto Kiti Wakamalie Ngamikole Inoni Palesa Mwabele Fini Silabu Jisaluka Matana Mazandu Mama Kutu Kumbune
Kiambote to Davidi.
Kiambote.
Gizambote, welcome. If you're watching, we're going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. Congo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tuto Ndele, thank you for your time. Your mic's off, Tatale. Thank you for your time. Gizambote, okay. Let's move. Nengotadiwa. Kiambote, Nengotadiwa.
Kiambote.
Luna mavimpi, eh?
Ngeta tuna mavimpi yeyenwe.
Itope tuna mavimpi. Tuto ndele. Kiambote tatale.
Kiambote tata mpanzu.
Tuna mavimpi, eh?
Ingeta tuna mavimpi yeyenu, eh?
Itope tuna mavimpi. Tuto ndele. Kiambote. Very good. Kiambote tata David. David Kikongo.
Kiambote tata mpanzu.
Tuna mavimpi, eh?
Ingeta luna tuna mavimpi. Endo, yeah?
Itope tuna mavimpi. Tuto ndele. Kiambote. Thank you very much for the courage. You are brave, you know. Let me just try to help brothers writing. Oh no, where is it? Tata Miguel Mukaba, thank you very much. You can get in touch. Just let me just try to display our website. There's an application form. If you just fill it, this is our website, malongimakikongo.com. Tata Mukaba. If you're still there, please write to me. Get in touch. Just visit our website. Thank you, Tutondele. Okay. Kikai. I will be going back to that for sure. We can. Kikai Nengotariwa. What is the magic formula? What is Kikai? Let me just give you a hint. Kikai is not our level, yeah? It's not a child level, it's parents level. What is it?
Yes. It's your mom's and dad's kisse.
Well done. Wow, well done. What do we mean kisse? What do we mean? Kisse, other words, kisse is?
Your father's kanda.
The father's mother kanda. Yes? Am I right? Yes?
No.
No, I'm not right. Tatalen, go ahead. Good.
Well,
Brave students, go correct me.
no, it's yeah, your father's mother's kanda, and your and then on the mother's side, it's your mom's dad's mother's kanda.
You're right. Basically, let me go back to the level. When I say my kanda, what do I mean? I mean my mom side, yes? Mom. When I say my dad, my kisse, which is my dad's kanda, we're talking about his mom.
Yeah, his matrilineal clan.
Yeah, exactly. We're talking about his mom. When we go upper level, our parents, we're talking about my kisse, my dad's kisse, his dad's mom. Yes, am I correct, Tatale? Yes, the other way around. Mom's, her mom, dad's mom. So we have 4 ladies. Yeah, Congo people, we have 4 darlings. Yes, we love them. In our blood. Yes. I just hope one day science, genetics is going to define what our ancestors have already discovered. You know, 4 ladies. Tutondele. Thanks very much for your time. Let us move quickly. Okay, let me just try to share my today's lesson. Yes, this is being Mukongo. Malongi Magi Congo. So lesson 6, section 2. Negative. Aten ame munzo. Okay, today is a negative. We did the same thing. We go through same thing, but negative today. Nengwatariwa onkentwa me munzo kene.
Onkentwame munzokene is my wife in the house. Ve kena munzo.
Kena munzoko. Yes.
No, she's not.
Okay. I think because we did the same, it's almost the same thing as we did last time. Let's try to change the game. Let's call the game. Okay. First line, Tata Len, Tata. Then what I do? Can you read again? Then Tata Len go to Tata David. Sorry, Tata David replies the second line. Then what I do, please?
Okay. Onkentwame munzokene.
Ve kina munzoko.
Oh, well done. Okay, we keep in the same slide. Then we go. This is a negative. Go positive. Then what I do? The same line, please.
I have to do positive now.
Sorry.
I have to do it in the positive.
No, just read it as it is. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Tata David is going to change something. Yes. Because it's positive now. Yes.
Onkentwame munzokene.
Yes, Tata David. Thank you.
Ve kina munzo. Kina munzo.
Oh, let's see. Tata Ali, can you help us? Okay,
yeah, Ve munzo kena.
Nengwa tell you, I try to answer your own question.
You said that in a positive.
Yeah, this is negative. We mean positive now. Nengwa tell you, answer your own question, please.
Okay, don't you say ingeta, and then you have to, don't you use munzo first?
Ingeta is certainly, ingeta is not yes. I mean, you know what I'm trying to say. When we say ingeta, we mean yes, of course, but we have a yes, a proper word, yes.
Elo.
Well done, yeah.
Okay, elo munzo kena.
Well done. Tata David, did you get that?
Oh,
this is negative, positive. Elo
right.
munzo kena. Let us move to the next slide. Thank you. Tata David, you read, then Tata Allen is going to reply. Positive.
Okay. Nguriame munzo kena. Kene. Nguriame munzo kene.
Tata Allen, please.
Ve kena munzuko.
Positive, please.
Oh, elo munzu kena.
Yes, well done, munzo kena. And the Tata Allen. Okay, let us do it the other round. Tata Allen question, then Nengo Tadi gives you the answer, please.
Owaname munzo bene.
Can you read it again, please?
Owaname
Well done.
munzo bene.
Elo munzo bena.
Tuto ondele. Well done. Tata David, Tata Allen, you read, then Tata David is going to reply. Positive.
Wakundiame munzo bene.
Elo munzo bena.
Yes. Negative say ve kebena munzoko. Positive, we move this to the other side, yes? Yes, munzo bena.
Yes.
Because remember, yeah. I'll give you a clue. Remember, Tata, this is very important. Tata, you see, ki and ko, they go together, yes? K and K can be ki. I mean, this language, it depends on the region or on people's mood. As someone said, I mean, one of the linguists said that It depends. Sometimes it's very, we can't define it properly. So ki is there, k and ko. Negatives, remember? Negative k. So meaning that when we're going for positive, we don't use this format because this is negative.
Negative.
Yes, Nengotadi, are you with me? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, negative always k ko. Yes, tutundile. Tata Allen, can you read the top one? Then Nengotadi gives the answer positive, please.
Ekinkutu kiame munzo kine.
Elo munzokina.
Well done. Hello, Munzokina. Tutundile. Tata David, you answer. Tata Allen, go to read. Ask a question, please.
Who's reading? Me?
Yeah,
Okay.
Tata Allen, you read the Tata David answers.
Eunga kiame kiane.
Eyunga kiame.
Eyunga kiane munzo kine.
Elo, munzo kina.
Yes, well done. Munzokina. Yunga, you call it. Yes. Nengotadiwa and Tata Allen. Nengotadiwa, you answer Tata Allen question, please, Omadia.
Omadia
Omadia mame.
Omadia mame munzo mene.
Munzomene, well done, yes.
Elo munzomena.
Well done, well done. This Kikongo is very good. I mean, it's good. I mean, the grammar, of course, is for Professor Hezokat. If you have your time, keep listening to old video, other classic video. You will speak basic Kikongo, at least to understand. Very important. This is the, I mean, can't do better than this. Omwan o mvoa tumia me munzomine. Nengo tadi wa question tata answer positive, please.
Omvoatumia me munzomine.
Elo munzo mina.
Well done. Well, munzomina. Because sometimes it's confusing. I mean, not to me, but this what linguists say. I'm not a linguist. I'm just teaching. They say that we don't say K instead of saying K-E, then space. No, just you write as a word. See, these are. I mean, it is hard for many people because it's confusing. Ke minako, ke mina munzoko. Instead of posing ke minako, we have two words, but you read as a one. Tutondele. Nengotadiwa question. Tata David answer, please. Positive.
Onkandame munzowine.
Elo, munzo wina.
Ingeta, yes. Yes. Tata question. Nengotadiwa answer, please.
Okanda miame munzo mine.
Elo munzomina.
Yes. Okay. I'm going to give you some. Okay, we're done. We're done. Let me just remove my slide. Just give you some easy one. Vova means to speak. Vova. Nengotadiwa. Vova means to speak. This is the verb. Vova, speak.
Yes.
Speak.
I heard that word.
You're not going to speak. The verb is there. Just use the double negative, the kiko, keiko.
Kevova.
Kivovako. Can you say that again, please? Kivovako.
Kivovako.
Kivovako. Very easy. Kivovako. Tatale. Eat. Dia. To
Dia?
eat. Dia. You're not going to eat. You don't want to eat.
Kidiamako?
Kidiako.
Kidiako.
Yeah, straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, just use the verb. The verb is there. Your name, like in French. Je ne veux pas. Don't want. Just the verb is there. Then double negative. Ne and pas. Je ne veux pas.
Okay.
Tata David. Kwenda to go.
Kikwenda
Going.
ko.
Well done.
Kikwenda ko.
Kikwenda. I think the positive even harder than negative. Because if I ask you Tata David,
Mhm.
are you going? Try to reply to me and positive in Kikongo. You have a kwenda.
Oh, okay. Right. So kikwenda ko would be I'm not going.
Negative. This is negative. Kikwenda ko. If you want to, who can try in positive? Kikwenda, the verb to go.
Mhm.
Negative. Kikwenda ko. I'm not going.
Okay.
Positive is harder than negative. Mukwenda ngina, or you could say kwenda ikwenda. See? I'm going. Mukwenda ngina. Let me try to write down. Come on.
Mkwenda kina.
One minute. Mukwenda ngina. I'm going.
Could you portray, like, show that on a screen?
Sorry?
So we can see how it's written.
Sorry?
Can you show that on a screen so we can see how it's written?
Yeah, I'm writing it down. 1 minute.
Okay. I thought you were putting it in the chat.
No, I'm putting. I mean, people are following. Some people.
Oh, right.
Yeah, let us help them. Totally. See, even harder. No, when you see you negative, just say kikwenda ko. That's you done. Kikwenda ko. Kikwenda ko. Double negative. Yeah, you have this one. Take notes, very important. This KI depends. Some people would say KA, K. No, sorry. K is third person. They may say KE. When you say Kidiambuko, what does it mean? What do you mean? Kidiambuko.
Means like no problem.
Yeah, it doesn't
No
matter. Yes, Kidiambuko. But other people, in my area at least, we say, I'm from Kwilufuta, I would say, see, Kidiambuko. Negative, easy, but positive, not that easy. Mukwenda ngina. Some verb, are with me, you following? Some verb, yes? Kwenda, mukwenda ngina, positive. Kikwenda ko. I'm not
Can I ask a
going.
question?
Right, that.
So mono is I, right? So mu is representing I. What is Nginda? Nginda is exactly doing what? I guess maybe the word Nginda, does it have a translation?
You're right. You're right. It's very hard to define. I mean, until we have something written by linguists, it's very hard. I mean, I keep trying to check the books, but this one, let's say Mukwenda Ngina. Ngina refer to me, because if I go to third person, I would say Mukwenda Kena. Him, her.
But I thought so what is the I thought mu is so is it a double positive. Mu and Nginda are like almost like ki and ko. See how you have the double negative?
I won't say that because it will be misleading you. I don't want to say that.
Okay.
We just take it.
So
Mukwenda ngina. Mm.
is that how you just say it? You just say it like that. Mukwenda ngina.
Yeah, mukwenda ngina, I'm going,
Is
yes.
that just how you say it?
Mukwenda ngina.
So there's no like explanation to using mu. That's just the structure.
You're
Generally
right,
speaking.
yeah. I can't say.
Okay.
I mean, until there's something written by experts, you know. Yeah, I'm just teaching the language. I don't want to mislead you, though. But you will get focus your attention. I mean, focus on the last one, the prefix. I mean, the ngina and the kena, because these are the pronoun, personal pronoun. Tatala, yes.
Yeah.
This one, me. Mm,
Oh, that's me.
in this sentence, not always. Be careful, not always. Mukwenda ngina, it's me. I'm going. Mukwenda kena, he, she is going. Yeah. Okay.
So
Now I'm
really,
going to.
it's kind of like saying I'm going me. Or yeah, she's going her.
You're
So
right.
it's like
Yeah.
so that's the
Yeah, we are repetitive. Yeah.
so
You're
that's
right.
an objective pronoun for that. So it's mu, right? Lu.
Yeah, Mukwenda ngina.
Let us just take that with you, yes? Until we have something clear on. But here, now you're going to understand it. Situna.
Mm-hmm.
Should ring a bell. It should ring a bell.
Yeah.
TU. What does TU mean?
Does it mean we are going?
Yeah, well done. Yes.
Oh no, I'm sorry. We.
Yeah.
Sorry.
How would you say that? We are going.
You are going.
We are going. How do you say we are going?
So you would do the same pattern, right? Tu kwenda tuna.
No. You just change the pronoun, personal pronoun at the end. These words, I mean, this one.
So would it be mukwenda tuna?
Well done, yeah. Don't be afraid, yeah. Mukwenda tuna. I can't define the mu.
Oh, okay.
We just take that, but we are sure of something. Those are the green, I highlighted when the pronoun, personal pronoun. Then what I do, are you right? Yes.
Yes, I got it. I just got a little bit confused.
Sorry.
I just got a little bit confused.
Yeah, now focus on just the ngina, kena, tuna. Okay. I'm going to test you. That second plural. You have first.
For which person? You said second plural.
Yeah, second plural. Yeah. You many are going. You are going. Yeah.
So it's mukwenda luna.
Well done. Yes. Remember when I asked Lunama Vimpi, yeah, you many. Yeah. I mean, sometimes the singular, but you respect Lunama Vimpi. Yeah? Then third plural. Remember, just learn the invotumia meakwei. Oh no, sorry, I don't want to confuse. Third plural.
So it'll be mukwenda kuna. You said third person plural?
Yeah. B, begin with B E.
Ben. Mukwenda bina.
Yes, mukwenda bena. Yes.
Bena.
Are you okay, Tatani?
Okay.
Tatani.
No. Okay. No, I got it.
Let me just something is missing here. Second plural, second singular.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the first mu. Don't worry, just let it just take it as it is.
Okay.
Then what did you second plural? Luna, yes? Remember? Kwenda Luna.
Luna, yes.
Yeah.
And then it's Bina.
Bena, yes. Some people say Ena.
Bena.
Bena, yes.
Mm.
That David, are you okay? Yes?
Also, some tribes,
Sorry, Nango tell you.
so some tribes like omit the B, but
Yes.
just pronounce the E.
E, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Just remember the pronoun. Mukwenda ngina, mukwenda una. First, second. Mukwenda una, you. Mukwenda kena, he, she. Mukwenda tuna. Mukwenda luna, mukwenda bena.
Yeah, what I was trying to put together was like a pronoun chart that matches up to the English pronoun chart, but
That's very.
it's very it's
You talk about the Bantu language, no?
yeah.
I mean, there's no other way of learning Bantu language. This is it. We can translate things, but it's not always helpful.
So what would this one be considered? This would be considered object or
The ngina una.
no? Yeah, ngina una kena tuna.
No, it is okay. Let's just give you. Are you there? Good question, Tata, because okay, let us make it easy to you. But this is a big debate among tribes because depend on the region. Another region, another region, not my region. They make it easy. You put all this. Let me just remove this, yes. See? Now that will be easy for you. In my wife's region, they speak like this.
Also, they put the pronoun.
Yeah, that's
In
this is
the
your thinking, you know. This is got pronoun first, yes. Then you got yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
I guess.
I mean,
it's
this is like
still
the way they were
correct.
writing in English.
Sorry.
This is how you would write it in English.
It is correct in Kikongo as well. In Kikongo, depending on region, other region, this is what we say. Ngina mukwenda.
Okay. But it's too intelligible. It's just that they're using the pronouns in the beginning.
So you like this form, yeah?
Rather than using them.
Good, yes. Yeah, it is Kikongo. It doesn't matter which variant, which as long as it's Kikongo, we call it Kikongo. So for me, to make it easy, we go for this pattern. We stick with this pattern. Ngina mukwenda. You know, Tatale, Ngina is you, me, referring to me, yes? Ngina mukwenda, una mukwenda, una, you, can, now I'm stuck. Ngina mukwenda, una mukwenda, oh no, sorry, here you don't change, yeah? Una mukwenda. The third, then a bit tricky, then the third stays una as well. Tunamukwenda, lunamukwenda, benamukwenda. Tutondele. That was good. Any questions, Tata?
No, I don't have any questions.
Yeah. Did you get this?
I have a question.
Go ahead, please.
How do you say they are going? Is it?
Yeah, benamukwenda, mukwenda bena, yes.
Benamukwenda.
In this pattern, benamukwenda, yes. Oh, mukwenda bena, yes.
Okay.
See, negative is, you know, kikwenda ko, yeah? Just that, kidiambuko. Tutondele. I'm going to try to answer that. Okay. Tutonde tata Facebook. Tutondele. Wizatata. Without to say this. Okay, someone was writing. Tata Miguel Macab, I'm not sure if you are still there. Said that you can get in touch. Just we have our website is there displayed. Malongi Magi Congo. Just fill the application form if you want to join one of our classes. We have one from Washington. We started yesterday. Tutondele. Tuyangalele. What do I mean by tuyangalele? Yangalala. Rejoice.
Yeah, I was wondering. You said Yangalele. I was like, wait,
Yangalala. We are Yangalala means
means enjoyment or happiness.
Yes. Yangalala, yes. Tutondele. Yangalala. Tutondele. Okay, see you next Sunday. Luenda Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Tamo aqui, aquele estresse no Maia, manda ver.
Yenda kuna ya ujila, imboga swanga ya.